If you want to make a phone call, call Barry.
Calling Barry, mobile.
The person you're calling isn't accepting messages right now. Why don't you text them or try calling again later? Thank you for calling voicemail. Goodbye.
There you go. So it's as easy as this. It's just the best system ever. So that's all you need to do. Loads of other things you can do with it. Loads of other ways you can integrate it into your daily life. As I say, your reminders and your calendars, to-do lists, you name it. You can do it all while you're driving and without taking your hands off the steering wheel. So it's a really, really good system. Thanks for watching.